I'm gonna try this soft smoky eye makeup today. I've loved the smoky eyes since I was a teenager. They make my eyes look so much bigger, even though my sister keeps saying it's outdated and insists I should switch to Korean style makeup. I wonder, will Mr. Brad like it or roast me again? You know, guys and girls can see things very differently when it comes to makeup. As you can probably tell, I don't have that typical small face, especially on camera. But that's okay, even an ordinary girl can glow up with the right makeup for beginners. Today, I will show you how I slim down my face, do nose contouring, and create big eye makeup. After prepping my skin, don't forget sunscreen. Let's get started. Take 1 pump or equal amount of foundation. Like I mentioned in my last video, I love using the rolling motion of a Korean metal chopstick to apply foundation evenly. In case you are wondering, I'm using a Japanese brand Suku Cream Foundation. I love the coverage, silky texture, and how long it lasts without causing breakouts. It's not cheap, but honestly it's worth it. Breakouts end up costing way more in skincare later. To avoid creasing around my nose and eyes, I only use the leftover foundation on the sponge to lightly tap over those areas. If you want to learn more, check out my previous video. Now time to slim down the face. I use a contour stick to add more depth to my flat face. Lately, I have been preferring stick or liquid contour over powder. I used to like powder, but it adds too many layers and makes my makeup look thick. Tap it out gently. Let's see the difference. After contouring, my face already looks slimmer and has more depth. Oh, I forgot my eyes. After contouring, use highlighter to emphasize key areas, tap and blend it in. Then I cover my freckles and any marks. After that, apply a thin layer of loose powder to set the foundation. Be gentle, just press a light layer on, don't go heavy. Next, nose contour time. I used to brush a lot on my nose to make it look sharper, but now I go lighter. I draw a thinner line and blend it out for a more natural look. Using a lighter shade to cover the sides of the nose can also help it appear slimmer. Highlight the nose bridge and tip and make it look less flat. Now for the eye makeup tutorial part. We are going for a natural smoky eye with a hint of a soft glam makeup. First, apply a light coral eyeshadow, then blend in a bit of pink around it on both upper and lower lips. Oops, I forgot eyebrows. I usually start with them. Since this is a soft eye makeup look, I go with light brown brow powder to finish with brow gel. Quick and easy. Okay, back to the eyes. Take a light gray shadow and blend it softly on the lips in circular motion. Then add a darker shade and blend it out. Don't forget the lower lash line. This creates that soft yet defined brown smoky eye effect. That's perfect as a beginner smoky eye look. To create an eyeliner effect, I use black eyeshadow. To prevent fallout, I add a tiny bit of eye cream to the brush. You can use black cream shadow if you have one. Next, brush on dark gray shadow from the outer to inner corners. Keep blending in circular motions to get that simple smoky eye vibe. Then use black eyeliner to define the look. We are almost there. Time to curl the lashes and glue them on. I start with a cat eye lash and then layer sunflower style lashes. If it gets messy, just clean it up with a cotton swab. Apply mascara to blend everything together, then glue on lower lashes and apply mascara again. Almost done. I brush a light pink brush on the cheeks, then add a darker shade to the sides for that soft glam tutorial finish. A bit on the chin and under the eyes too. Now for a gesso, a must-do in Asian eye makeup and especially helpful for monolid smoky eye looks. Apply a bit of a highlighter under the eyes and enhance that youthful round shape. Add some glitter to make the eyes pop. It gives that dreamy daylight makeup kind of glow. A little in the inner corners too. Finally, soften the lip edges with a bit of concealer. Since the eyes are bold, I go for a natural light coral lip color. Great balance for everyday smoky eye looks. I blur the edges a bit and make the lower lip look thinner. One last touch up on the nose rings, some setting powder, and draw the philtrum and cubist bowl. Oh, I almost forgot my color contacts again. Alright, straighten the hair, turn on the fan, and that's it. What do you think of this soft smoky eye look? Leave a comment, I would love your feedback. Now let's find out how will Mr. Brad like it.
Today we shall reveal the makeup of the day.
My hair, oh my god, so hot.
And there we go. I can't see anything. Which style is it today?
Which style you think it is today?
Turn again. Back to a Chinese style.
Look at my eyes.
Back to a Korean style. Back to doing style. Back to Thai style.
Do you think I look different than usual?
Yes. I think you're using the colored contact lens, which makes your eyes look very interesting, very different from usual. And also your eye very shiny. And also your eyelashes, making your eyes look bigger. I think it's a fake eyelash stick to the eye.
How can you tell?
Your eyelash is not that long.
You like it or dislike it?
Turn again. It looks very interesting.
So from 1 to 10, how would you rate this makeup? Korean idol makeup you rated 6.8.
Oh my god, who will rate it 6.8? If Korean idol makeup was 6.8, this one will be 7.5.
Okay, just 7.5.
But we are rounding up, so it's 8.
Actually, it's the best makeup I think I have done so far. Anyway, today I actually doing this makeup is smoky eyes. So compared to the Korean clean girl makeup, which one do you think looks better?
The clean girl makeup still looks the best because it's very minimal and lets you look very natural. But of course, this one also looks very good. But it's just the
I like this one the most.
That's great that you like it. I'm just trying to say the Korean clean girl makeup was outstanding. So it's very hard to compete.
So I'm going to show you the photo of the original one. How many percent do you think I look like her? This person?
80%?
That's not too bad. So do you think she look better or I look better?
Of course you look better. There's only one answer here, guys.
Would you take me for dinner tonight?
Technically, we're going for dinner anyway, so I would take you either way. The answer to this question is yes.
Leave a comment to let me know what makeup look should I create next. Thanks for watching.